YouTube. Alright, this video, I wanted to chime in on you guys, especially those that are dealing with the child support issue. I've got some good news for you guys, alright? Pretty much each case is different. It's different scenarios for different cases. My process works for any child support issue, okay? But depending on what circumstances are on the table, child support may try to give you some type of rebuttal, okay? And what do I mean by some type of rebuttal, all right? Well, in some cases, when you go through the process of getting off of child support, letting them know that you are not interested in their services, you're not interested in anything that they're doing, even after they have already signed you up, or not really signed you up, they fear tacted you into thinking that you were signed up. I have to be very, very specific in what I'm saying. I can't be relaxed in what I'm saying. So some scenarios, like for an example, you may have one guy that goes through the process. He gets off child support, let's say 9 days, all right, because the agency recognizes the laws that they're breaking. He puts the laws in front of their face that they're breaking, and they let him off. All right. But another guy, he will send it in, and they won't let him off because they're very, 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 very corrupt, and that he may have had something that is pending in the background that child support is trying to grab his money, all right? Such as a situation where a gentleman just gave me a call, and he had a lawsuit, okay? And his lawsuit, they were trying to, they put a lien on his lawsuit, all right? Now we all know that that's illegal because the agency is acting illegal in their role, all right? They're fraudulent, all right? And they're embezzling money, okay? So he tells me, he says, man, I did your paperwork, and the attorney that I had for my personal injury case, right, just sent me an email after I told him exactly what to do. Just sent me an email saying that they released the lien off of my personal injury case, and that they're getting ready to, and that the lawyer is sending me my money. And I says, good, very good, okay? So now he's going to be receiving his money here in the next week. I'll chime in, maybe do another video. I'll see if he wants to chime in. I'll be honest though, most people do not want to talk about or tell the world how much money they're receiving, okay? Simple fact, they don't want to put themselves in harm's way, okay? And they understand the minute they show someone that, someone will try to do something foolish. Okay, we'll just say that. All right. So, but just letting you know, my process works. Okay, and if you haven't checked it out, you probably need to hurry up and check it out. Okay, it's definitely it definitely works, and you know, I'm here for you guys. So if you like, you can go ahead and like, share, and comment on this video. But my process works. Okay, so now we're in the stage of getting him to take this thing further to where he can really leverage what's going on. Okay, because they just now released his lien. That lets you know that they're fraudulent and they're acting on the color of law, not the law, and that literally they can be locked up, and that's what we're going to go for. So stay tuned, and you guys take it easy.